हरि 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 ओ 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 ओम 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 हरि 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 ओ हरि हरि ओ हरि हरि ओ हरि हरि ओ ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः ॐ समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् ॐ सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः हरिः ओम् Welcome to one and all for this today's very practical and a different session. I also can say a very wonderful session. You may find it out after the end of the session that yes, this is very helpful in our life. Today, our topic is what? Yes, mindfulness and open eye meditation. Mindfulness and open eye meditation. This topic is subtle, so it requires a lot of explanation. Therefore, I'm going to be explaining it slow and slow and slow, means very slowly. This I'm telling you because often people ask me, Swamiji, why are you so doing your session slow? Because you always do it in such a great enthusiastic way. Oh, please let me tell you, every subject demands a different sort of gesture, and expression. Therefore, I am doing this session slowly and point-wise. Okay, every subject requires a basic introduction. So let me tell you, this subject I have derived from the Vedanta. First question: what is mindfulness? What is mindfulness? Answer is, mindfulness is awareness. Mindfulness is awareness. Awareness is mindfulness. Awareness is mindfulness. Next question. What is meant by open eye meditation? So, you must have noticed that when I was chanting 3 Omkar and doing the prayers, this time I did not close my eyes. You will know why. So, what is open eye meditation? First, let me tell you about the meditation. A meditation, nowadays, a very popular term as well as a subject. In the world, people are continuously teaching meditation by doing different sessions and explaining it in different ways. Generally, people understand that sitting at one place, closing their eyes, and focusing on something to quieten the mind is meditation. But my dear friends, let me tell you, this is not true meditation. This is no doubt a step of meditation. This is no doubt a step of meditation. So, what is meditation? Meditation is a state of being. Meditation is a state of being. Be what you are. Be what you are. Swamiji, what does it mean, be what you are? Dear friends, be what you are means your true nature is absolute awareness. Your true nature is absolute awareness. So, be that alone. Be that alone. Now, let me explain it more. I would like to explain it by giving examples on 2 levels. One level is a transactional level, another level is an absolute level. Transactional level is that which is continuously changing and which is temporary. Absolute level is one and one without a change. So, first let me explain it from the standpoint of transactional level. Be ready. See, we all are playing different roles in our life. Someone is father, also a son, also a brother, also a friend, also an officer, also and so on and so forth. So, a single person playing so many roles. My question is, which one is a true role of yours? My question is, which is a true role of yours amongst all these roles which you are playing in your life? Dear friends, for this, let me ask now another question to find out an answer. So, the question is, who is playing these roles? Who is playing these roles? So, the answer on transactional level is, I am playing this role. I am playing this role. Another right question I'm asking, who is this I? Again on transactional level, answer is, this I is human being. This I is human being. So, a great important finding is coming out of it. A great important finding is coming out of it. What it is? So, one is so-called permanent, and that is human being. And the other roles which a human being is playing are all temporary. So one is permanent, that is human being. 24/7 we are human beings. That is permanent on transactional level. Please note this transactional level I am talking about. And what is temporary now? The roles played. Why is it so? Because as the situation comes, you play that role, and after that, you are not that alone. Okay, let me give an example. See, it's like this. If your father wants to go and catch an early morning flight, and in spite of all arrangement, a driver does not turn up early in the morning. Now, the father requests you, oh my dear son, can you please take me to the airport and bring the car back? Oh, what a great chance. So you get up early in the morning, get fresh, and be ready. Start driving. Listen now. When you start driving, you are playing a role of a driver. You reach your father to the airport and bring the car back to the home. Now, when you park the car to the garage and come out of it and go into the house, and mother calls you, my dear son, oh please help me here. Now, your role was driver is over. Now, anymore, at this moment, you are not a driver, you are a son. After 10 minutes, your wife calls you. Oh, my dear honey, please come here. This is required to be done. And again, your role is changed and you have entered into another role. So, hope this example is clear that the role which you are playing are continuously changing, and that's why your role, that which is called as temporary here on transactional level, but you as a human being is one who is playing this role always. So please note it. Next important point, when I say this role you are playing as a driver, it is only from the standpoint of the car and an action of driving, right? So that's why I said this role is temporary. Now, simple logic I want to put behind it. Simple logic. See, when the role itself is temporary, when the role itself is temporary, therefore, the emotions in that role, can it be permanent? Can it be permanent? Let me give again an example. An actor doing a role of a beggar. An actor doing a role of a beggar. Now, in that role, he is screaming on top of his voice. Sometimes he's crying. Sometimes he's pleading, begging, and extremely in sorrowful state. My dear friends, all the emotions are not permanent. They are only for that role. The moment this person comes out of that role, the emotions are gone at all. Totally. Therefore, coming to a very important point, when the emotions are not permanent, because the role which we are playing is not permanent, can the effect of the emotion be permanent? Think. So, effect of the emotions are also not permanent. Another very important finding. Due to all this right understanding, we must know if my emotions are fantastically good at this moment and my emotions are extremely depressive in some other moment. Understand and please realize both are temporary and not real. Because even if the fantastic emotion what you have also will remain with you for a short time. Same with the other. If the emotions are extremely depressive, they are also not permanent. They also will stay for some time. Majority of the people, my dear friends, please understand. Majority of the people do not understand the reality of this transactional level, and they understand that all the emotions are real. Therefore, they get carried away by the emotions and then feel so much of even sometimes a great joyful state or sometimes a very sorrowful state. Both are temporary. Please understand. So, my point is, he who doesn't know these emotions are temporary and the effect is also temporary. He who knows can remain stable. But he who does not know the reality, what to talk of him? See, this person remains unstable. And mind well, no unstable person can be peaceful. No unstable person can be peaceful. Therefore, this knowledge is extremely important for understanding the mindfulness. Okay, hope this transactional level is clear for everyone. Now let me take you to the different level which is called as absolute level. For that, again let me ask you one question. The point which I have explained during the transactional level, I said so-called permanent is human being. Now I take that point ahead. I ask the question, this so-called human being, a permanent entity on transactional level, what it is? Swamiji, what do you mean? Yes, I explain. See, I would like to mention here about my question. What is this human being? Means what is the status of human being? For that, again I have to give an example. This example is very beautiful and a very self-explanatory. See, when you see a gold chain, a gold necklace, gold earrings, gold bangles, I know this much, so etc. No doubt we can see the difference in every ornament. So difference can be seen in this ornament very easily. But I'm asking a question, is there a similarity in all these ornaments? Yes. What it is? It is the substance that is gold. It is a substance that which is gold. Now understand, this subject, gold, is the substratum of all the ornaments. Again, let me bring this point. Therefore, differences definitely we see are only on the level of name and form. Name and form. But all of them have a similar substratum, similar substance. What it is? Gold. Oh, gold. Dear friends, similarly, we all can see different body, size, shape, color in human beings. But there is one common entity because of which all human beings are alive. There is one common entity because of which all human beings are alive. What is that? That is awareness. That is awareness. It is also called as consciousness. It is also called as consciousness. It is our true nature. It is our absolute nature. So awareness is our absolute nature. So coming back to the point of meditation. Being aware of our true nature is meditation. Being aware of our true nature is meditation. Now, here, please note this point. Whether your eyes are open or whether your eyes are closed does not make any difference. Does not make any difference. Let me give you an example. As I said, be aware of your true nature. That is awareness, is meditation. Now, simple example, I'm going to explain it. See, if you are a man, I'm asking a question to you. Why only man? If you are a woman, please understand that the question is for both. If you are a man or if you are a woman, do you have to sit, close your eyes, and continuously focus that you are a man or a woman? No. One point. Second point. Do you have to be told by someone that you are man or a woman? No. Do you have to focus on some light or do you have to take the support of music to remember that you are a man or woman? No, not at all. Once I know I am a man, forever I have the awareness that I am a man. In the same way, with this right knowledge, if you understand that the role which I am playing are no doubt a great important factor of my life, but let me know and realize all the roles are because of the situations. Situation change, my role also changes. Please note it. Another important point. As a role is temporary, so all the emotions of that temporary role cannot be permanent. And if the emotions are not permanent, how the effect can be permanent, my dear friends? Please understand. It is that human being where we have understood from the transactional standpoint, human being so called a permanent entity, but on absolute level, this human being is also nothing but a name and form, and that's why there is a different scene as that of the gold ornaments. But the gold in all the gold ornaments is one and the same. Similarly, the awareness in me, you, and all the human beings, including all the living beings, one and the same. One and the same. Therefore, my request to everyone, please remember these basic important points which today we have discussed, because we are going to have 4 sessions on mindfulness to actually start living as awareness and not as in some role. It is possible. How? Just be you are. What am I. You are an awareness. So just be that. Thank you. Thank you very much. And my request for everyone to please remember these important topics which we have covered today, because this will be a substratum for next sessions which we are going to do. Thank you for one and all for being with us. Hope you have actually grasped it. If you grasped it, you are that. Jai Ho.